when my mother tell me about karma. To all me fucking evil them.
Yeah, what style man for your device? I don't know, so I want fully brave God Skeleton then I represent for Soji TV Entertainment. I mean I say yo, alright, that's the artist and the baddest review them man, you hear me? Yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe. You know, click the notification bell to get notified fully.
The bad line, yeah. Send
Wagwan viewers and subscribers from your device, you know it's a boy Soji TV Entertainment to the next review. Now me I say yo, me review silkboss drop a new single today, now at the minute, title Arma. Me bombard. Me I tell you say, the people think say this boy a sing J and him. Stay to myself. Your blood class stay there. Him man full of Arma. Mobile full of Arma. Mother tell about karma. Yo, him man a chat some lyrics there, viewers and subscribers. And I know normal. Look youth and make you know say arm to you, man. Yes, man. Yes, man. Youth ready for your road. Yes, man, he show you. In a garrison, he tell about the girls them. And see him tell about him arrested to himself. And he tell about mankind. See man I tell about him Arma right now. You hear that? So me I say yo viewers and subscribers. Me need even have no word for say to a song tough cause me need expect the boss for go them away. Me think he will keep it on the conscious way. But the man I show you say nothing conscious about this man. A dancehall music we are doing, you know, slash chop music, you know, so you know say you have to go hard or go home, and the man ready to go home. And in just start, viewers and subscribers, I want to know if you go over silkboss official on YouTube. Yes man, subscribe, share, like, comment, make him know say a Soji TV Entertainment send you over there. From the youths them bad, you know Soji TV Entertainment out there, make the people them know say I want to know but support the youths them, cause the youths them nah do no wrong. The youths them a put pen and book together, you see me, and make the thing work. And youths them a do it that way. Give them the support cause them could have make you uncomfortable in the streets, and they are not doing that. Man, them a write some conscious song and I send it out to the viewers and subscribers them. You see me? Send it out to the world, make the world hear what them a go on with. And everybody that can run with him style and song them, you know, and him type of song them, you know. You see me? No joke, but you know say we there here who like it, I go run with it. All the haters them I go run with it because from here sing good song, it gravitate to everybody. Don't the baby we sing and me I tell you say yo, that song ya surprise me cause me I look for see one another. You know, and them type of sing J song there, you know you have to sing yeah, to your heart. Man tired of that now, man tired of show them emotions, so man show them a dark side, you know, show me full of emotion, you know, I go run over that side. No, so we harm, maybe harm up, ray. But me need to have word to say. But one thing me I say, go and go give the artist the support. And me have to big up Terro, Chop City Records and Silverbirds. Them areas are gonna get the support and areas are gonna get the strength and areas are gonna get the big up because when them I do the right thing, you know people are gonna acknowledge them. Yes man, and Soji acknowledge them and me I say yo, viewers and subscribers, just please remember to like, share, subscribe to Soji TV Entertainment. Be a member with Soji. Yes man, give me advice, I will follow them. We out here, I'm a listening ears for everyone. See him like how everyone here is giving me a listening ears. I'm a listening ears for everyone too. So please have a nice day. Soji TV Entertainment was here.